Take a look at your next meal. For decades, we have been told that meat is simply protein, and protein is the key to strength. But as we cross the threshold of 60, a quiet change happens inside our bodies. The very foods that fueled your busy life in your 30s and 40s might now be acting like a slow-burning fire, triggering inflammation and stiffening your arteries. It is a biological truth that most people never tell you. The meat you choose today is deciding how you will feel 10, 20, or even 30 years from now. It is not about giving up the foods you love. It is about realizing that your body has earned the right to better fuel. Today, we are going to look inside your fridge with new eyes. We will uncover the 4 specific meats that are quietly draining the vitality of seniors. And then, we will explore the 4 powerful alternatives that can actually rebuild your muscle, sharpen your brain, and protect your heart. I am Dr. Emily Carter, and this is the Seniors Routine. Let's reshape the way you eat for the rest of your life. Let us begin with a meat that is a staple in many households, yet carries a hidden chemical trap: conventional pork sausage. It is the sound and smell of a Sunday morning, isn't it? A couple of sausages beside your eggs feels like a comforting tradition. But for adults over 60, the danger isn't the meat itself, but the nitrates and nitrites used to keep it pink and shelf-stable. Once digested, these compounds can transform into nitrosamines, toxic chemicals directly linked to colon, stomach, and kidney cancer. As our metabolism slows with age, our bodies find it harder to flush these toxins out. Furthermore, the massive sodium load in just 2 links can cause your blood pressure to spike and your ankles to swell. If you love that savory flavor, try making your own sausage at home with ground turkey, garlic, and fresh sage. Your body deserves real herbs, not lab-made chemicals. Moving to the second danger on our list: deli ham and processed cold cuts. They are the ultimate convenience, ready to be stacked in a sandwich without any mess. But for anyone over 60, these shiny slices are a wolf in sheep's clothing. Most deli meats are ultra-processed, pumped with phosphates to preserve texture and hidden sugars to keep them tasting fresh for weeks. A major study followed 40,000 seniors and found that frequent consumption of these meats raised the risk of heart failure by 24%. These additives make your blood vessels less flexible, which is the primary cause of age-related strokes. And the damage doesn't stop at your heart. The chronic inflammation they cause is a leading factor in brain fog and memory decline. Instead of the deli counter, roast a fresh chicken breast on Sunday and slice it thin for the week. It's a simple change that protects your heart and your clarity. The third meat to reconsider is deep-fried chicken. Few things taste as comforting as that crispy golden crust. But here is what happens inside an aging body. When you fry chicken in cheap vegetable oils at high temperatures, you create compounds called advanced glycation end products, or AGEEs. These molecules literally accelerate the aging process. They attack your collagen, leading to stiffer joints and deeper wrinkles. Because our blood vessels lose their natural elasticity after 60, the trans fats from frying cause more damage now than they ever did in your youth. The result is slower circulation, more joint pain, and an increased risk of heart attack. You can still enjoy that crunch, but use an air fryer or your oven with a drizzle of olive oil. You get the flavor without the toxins that steal your independence. Finally, we must talk about the most overrated meat on the market: factory-farmed, skinless chicken breast. For decades, we've been told this is the lean, heart-healthy choice. But for seniors, this plain white meat can be misleading. Most commercial chicken comes from industrial facilities where birds are fed GMO, corn, and soy and treated with antibiotics. When you strip away the skin and fat, you also remove the healthy fats your body needs to absorb vitamins D, E, and K, the vitamins that keep your bones strong and your brain sharp. Seniors who rely only on lean, dry chicken often find themselves feeling weaker because they aren't getting the full spectrum of nutrients needed for cellular repair. Now, let us move from danger to healing. The human body is incredibly resilient, and even after 70 or 80, it never stops responding to better choices. Here are the 4 best meats to bring back your vitality. Best meat number 4, grass-fed lamb. This is a true power meat for the over 60 community. Unlike factory-farmed animals, grass-fed lamb is naturally rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which act like a lubricant for your joints and a shield for your heart. It is one of the best sources of bioavailable zinc and B12, nutrients that naturally decline with age. Seniors who eat grass-fed lamb twice a week often report a significant boost in muscle strength and mental clarity. It is not just a luxury meal, it is a nutritional investment. Best meat number 3, pasture-raised duck. Duck meat is a rare find in many kitchens, but its benefits are undeniable. It is rich in monounsaturated fats, the same healthy fats found in avocados and olive oil. These fats help lower bad cholesterol and keep your arteries supple. Duck also provides coenzyme Q10, a natural compound that fuels your cells' energy production. As we age, our natural Q10 levels drop, which is why many of us feel sluggish. Duck helps replenish that energy, fueling both your muscles and your brain. Best meat number 2, sardines with bones and skin. Think of these as nature's most complete longevity meat. Every part of the sardine is designed to repair an aging body. The tiny, soft bones are a massive source of calcium that your body can actually absorb to prevent fractures. They are also packed with DHA, the specific fat that makes up a large portion of your brain structure. By eating sardines twice a week, you are literally feeding your memory and protecting your bones. Always look for sardines packed in olive oil to ensure the highest quality. And finally, the most powerful meat for seniors, grass-fed beef liver. For decades, liver was a kitchen staple, and our ancestors knew why. It is nature's most potent multivitamin. It provides over 1,000% of your daily B12 and a massive dose of vitamin A in its most absorbable form. As we age, our gut becomes less efficient at pulling nutrients from food, but liver bypasses this because its vitamins are ready to use. Just 2 ounces a week can dramatically improve your stamina, focus, and immune response. It is the secret to making your daily life feel easier and more vibrant again. In conclusion, your journey after 60 isn't about eating less, it's about eating better. Every meal is a chance to rebuild your strength and protect your future. Thank you for being part of our community at the Seniors Routine. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe and share this video with a friend. Take care of yourselves, stay strong, and remember, your health is your greatest wealth.